What's up, everybody? Chuck here from Brand New Vegan. Welcome to day 4 of our 2021 challenge, where the goal is to lose 21 pounds. That's my goal in the year 2021. Why? Because 2020 happened. Enough said. So, how did we do today? How did we do? If you watched the last 3 videos, or especially yesterday, you know I did not have a good day. Today was going to be better, right? Today said, hold my beer. Yeah, it's been that kind of day. But we got through it. So let's go through the stats today. Starting weight on Wednesday was 200. I weighed in at 196 this morning. So I'm holding steady, 4 pounds lost. My blood pressure was down a bit at 137/88 with a pulse of 55. The menu today, that got all messed up too. So I had my oatmeal this morning, and I'll find a picture here, and you've seen it probably, but I'll put a little video here. You can see that. I get half a cup of oats with some hot water, and I chop up banana and about a third of a cup of blueberries, and I have 1 slice of Ezekiel toast with a little bit of Marmite because I like it. And for lunch, it was going to be potato soup. I had one chore today, just one chore. That was my goal. Get the chore done and then continue to the vlog stuff. Get my exercise and all that good stuff. And the chore usually takes about an hour. It took 5. I'm just now getting done and getting done with dinner and recording this, and it is now 5:15, so I got a long night ahead of me of editing and all that good stuff. So lunch was supposed to be potato soup. I don't have carrots and I ran out of veggie broth, so that was not lunch today. Instead, I had a bowl of chili because I still had some leftovers, and I'll put a recipe for my chili below. It is award-winning. It's really good. And what else did I have with it? Nothing. I had a bowl of chili. That was it. So dinner was, according to my Facebook post, which, by the way, we are keeping track of all the stuff in my Facebook group. If you didn't know, I have a community Facebook group. It's a private group. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to join. Make sure you answer the questions or my admins will not allow you in. But I post every morning the stats from yesterday, and then I follow up with a video in the evening. So I said dinner was to be determined, and since I could not do the potato soup for lunch, something totally different happened for dinner, and I made my Southwestern potato hash. Don't need veggie broth for that. And yeah, that's it. It's really easy. It's just onions, bell peppers. There's some mushrooms in here. I think the recipe, which I will put in the links below. And, sometimes my recipes are also already on YouTube. And if they are, I'll put a little card right here. You'll see a card pop up. That's where the YouTube recipes show up. There. Yeah, that's hard to do. But this, anyway, was green chili and potatoes, diced up Yukon Golds. So really easy, came together in a few minutes, and it'll be pretty tasty, I'm sure. The Q&A today, I had 2 questions last night. Somebody asked if popcorn really that calorie dense, and my answer was it can be. So you got to realize, like dried fruit is really more calorie dense than fresh food. Why? Because we evaporate the water out of it. So anytime you take the water out of something, you're not taking the calories out, you're taking the bulk out. So whatever it is, it's going to shrink, but it has the same amount of calories. So it's all those calories are still packed in a much smaller package. And that's kind of that way with popcorn. And the other thing with popcorn is we cover it with butter and oil and nasty stuff like that. So that makes it extremely calorie dense. So my answer was, if you want to have some air popped popcorn maybe with a little Tabasco or a little liquid amino or whatever you like. That should be fine. Just don't overdo it. And the second question is the famous, are smoothies really that bad? And just, like I said, this is usually a topic that heats up into an all-out war within a few seconds. So my answer is I don't drink smoothies. None of the plant-based doctors that I follow, and that includes Dr. McDougall, Dr. Esselstyn, and Dr. Clapper even, I'm not sure about Barnard, recommend drinking smoothies. They recommend you chew your food instead. There's certain enzymes in our saliva that go to work when we're chewing up those greens in our mouth that are not there. They don't have anything to do if you already blend it. So there's advantages to chewing your food. And the other thing I read, when you put a lot of fruit, which is already a simple sugar, the fructose, and then you blend it all up, depending on how much you have, it can raise your triglycerides. So be careful. And whether you do smoothies or not, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I would recommend, though, that you do not do protein powder with your smoothies, because at least for this challenge, the whole idea is to get back to basics and eat real food, and protein powders kind of negate that whole thing. So that's my answer for smoothies. And the only other thing I want to say today, this will be a quick video today. I had a testimonial this morning, and I was really, really happy to see it. These are one of those things you just love to see. So I asked her permission to use it, and she said, of course. And let me find it, and I'll pop it up on the screen for you. Is that it? That's it. Bring up the picture. There's a better picture. 122/73, pulse at 62, best blood pressure I've seen in years, 2.5 pounds gone. Thank you, day 4, from Phyllis Walta. Awesome. And this was my little emoji I gave her, because that's just amazing. It just shows the power of eating real food and leaving out all of the fat and the unnecessary calories that we're doing in this challenge. Come back. There we go. So that's really all I have for you today. Like I said, I didn't get a chance to exercise much, other than my chore involved me running up and down the stairs about 1 million times. So I got my steps in. That's about all I got. And if you notice this, it's kind of red. Yeah, thank my allergies for that. It's been a horrible allergy 3 or 4 days. Constantly sneezing, blowing my nose. It's just the pollen's going nuts here in Oregon. So unfortunately, I suffer from it. And I didn't used to. I mean, I've been here in Oregon like 20-something years. And when I came here, I was perfectly fine. I lived in Indiana. I've lived in Texas. I've lived in Mexico. I've lived all over. Never had allergies in my life. After 20-something years here, all of a sudden, boom, just like that, I have allergies. And they're horrible. So, anyway, that's it for day 4. Thank you all who are participating both on YouTube and on the Facebook group. I love reading the comments. I love all the encouragement, not only for me, but for all of us. And that's what this whole thing is about, is keeping each other on track and encouraging each other to keep going, and enjoying the successes. And yeah, and it's going great. I see so many Facebook posts from people who are losing, they're getting their exercise or eating healthier, and I love it. I love it. That was the whole idea behind this. So again, for YouTubers, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I post a video like this every single day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when the new video comes out. And again, if you'd like to join the Facebook group, the link's down below. Make sure you answer the questions, And for all the recipes I mentioned, either look up there in the cards or look down in the description box below, and you'll get everything you need. The challenge itself, if you've just started watching these and you're wondering what we're talking about, the link for that's down below too. And sign up for the form, and I'll email you a PDF with all the rules and all the particulars and stuff like that. So, good job, guys. Day 4 is done. I hope tomorrow is better than the last 2 or 3 days for me. Like I said, it's 5:30. I got to finish recording this. And then I got about 2 or 3 hours of editing before I get to eat or do anything else. So, fun stuff. But anyway, with all the challenges I've had with the computer and technology and my chores today that went haywire, and oh gosh, my police chase. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'll post the video up there for that. That was yesterday's video. Yeah, it's pretty entertaining. But a lot of you mentioned I should carry business cards. I do have business cards. I don't carry them with me anymore, but maybe I should, right? And I did. Somebody else had a suggestion of, I think it was a sandwich board or something, so people in the neighborhood know what I'm doing. I did order a BNV hoodie. If you've never noticed in these videos, if you look below, there's links to Teespring, and that's just some of the BNV merch that's available. I really don't have a whole lot to do with it. I kind of help put the logos and stuff on there, but if you see something down there, like, feel free, no pressure or anything. But I ordered a hoodie. I ordered a gray BNV hoodie so I can wear that out there. And if I ever get pulled over again while I'm walking, I can say, hey, I'm brand new vegan. This is Walking Wednesday. I have to take these pictures. I have to take these videos. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. I don't know. That's it for today, guys. Thanks again. I will see you tomorrow. This is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.